Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shadi Amiri, and today I'm here to talk to you about how to manifest your physical appearance. Now, to be honest, this is a question that I got a lot on my YouTube channel from people, and that's the reason I'm recording this video. But honestly, you could use all types of manifestation that we use on this channel, or if you're a member of DIY Your Happy Life online course, all the ultimate magical unique methods you could use for physical manifestation. But I decided to record a video specifically to go deeper into how to manifest your physical looks, your physical body, your skin, your hair, and the glow that you want in your face, the beauty that you want to see in the mirror when you go in front of the mirror. So first, before anything, if you want to manifest your physical appearance, there is a key that you need to the door gate of the universe. And that key is one of the most important parts of any manifestation that you want to do, specifically your physical look appearance. Because God, our creator, the universe, the lights, whatever that you want to call it, gave us this physical body for us to live with in this world, in this physical world. If we love it, if we appreciate it, if we give ourselves love, and if we're grateful and thankful to have this body, then we're going to be able to improve it. We're going to be able to make it better for ourselves. It's just like any other type of manifestation. The key to the gate of the universe is gratitude and self-love. And this is what you have to do before anything else. So before anything, you have to feel grateful. You have to become grateful. You have to use affirmations of thankfulness, of gratefulness for the body that you have, for the health that you have, the fact that you can breathe on your own, the fact that you could walk, you could touch things, the fact that you could watch this video or hear this video. Whatever that you have on your physical body has to be there for you in your gratitude list. And it has to be from the bottom of your heart. You can't just write it there and then say, you know what, I just wrote it because I have to. No. You have to be grateful from the bottom of your heart. You have to love yourself. You have to go in front of the mirror and tell yourself how much you love you, how much you care to yourself, to you. If you want to know more about self-love and about how you could use self-love in your manifestation journey, you can go ahead and watch my previous video. Just click on the link that comes up on the top of the page. At the end of this video, come back here and click on that link and watch that video. It's going to help you a lot about self-love, about self-confidence, about all the things that you want to give to yourself before you could become a manifestation magnet. So now I'm going to give you some super powerful methods that could help you manifest your dream self. But before that, I have to tell you one more thing. If you want to manifest, because we can't say, I don't want to manifest money, I don't want to manifest. It's not about money. It's not about physical looks. Manifestation is attracting all the things that you want. Positive energy. It's one power that we all have. It's not the power of manifesting money, the power of manifesting looks, the power of manifesting health. They are all one power. Once you have that power activated within you, then you could start focusing on different areas of your life, and it's going to work for everything in your life. So you want to focus on manifestation, and you want to stay consistent with all the practices that you do. You want to make it a part of your life. You want to have a lifestyle as a manifester, as a manifestation magnet, as a person who could be always positively manifesting. If you want to create this in your life, there is one way that I can show you that has changed my life. It has changed my life because I manifested my dream life in less than a year, from lower than rock bottom, the worst part of my life, to my ultimate dream life. And that includes everything: my physical appearance, my relationship, my financials, my home. Every single thing I manifested happened in less than a year. And I did it based on one rule, one unique and amazing step-by-step rule that has worked like a miracle for me. And then I started sharing it with people in my life as a coach, and then it helped every single person who tried it. And then I spent 2.5 years of my life to create an online portal called DIY Your Happy Life Online Portal, where it gives people the ability to hire me as their coach forever in their life. So once people join to that portal, I become their lifetime coach. And not only I become their lifetime coach, within that portal, they're going to see all the videos, PDFs, audios, meditations, methods, every single thing that I have ever used in my life, step by step, all the way to the end. So as I said, this super powerful portal is called DIY Your Happy Life online course, we say, but it's not really a course. It's an online treasure. If you want to know more about it, you can go ahead and click on the link in the description below this video. Now let's talk about the key secret that you could use for your physical appearance manifestation. The secret that we have here is that once you start manifesting, because I manifested my physical appearance from an overweight person. I became really overweight. My skin was terrible. My hair was terrible. I did not have any idea about self-care anymore, and I didn't like the way that I looked. And then I started using the manifestation tricks towards everything, including my physical appearance, and then I changed myself. And then I became the person that I wanted to become. And this is the face that I have. This is the hair that I wanted. This is the body that I wanted. Everything that I wanted, I have today. The secret to it is that when you start manifesting your physical appearance, it doesn't work like you're sitting on the sofa, you manifest, and all of a sudden a magic wand comes around you and your looks start to change. No. When you start manifesting, you're opening new messages from the universe towards yourself. You're letting the universe send you messages to show you new ways on how to take care of your body and how to change your looks and appearance and how to become the best version of yourself physically that you want to become. So you start manifesting and then you start seeing message from the universe. That could be in social media. That could be something you hear from someone. That could be something you see when you go outside. Step by step, the universe is going to show you where is it and what is it that you currently need in your life to achieve the body that you want to achieve. This is what manifestation does for you, and it has done magic for me. The first method that you need to do in regards to your physical body is tapping an affirmation. You want to get into your heart chakra. You want to go deep within your heart chakra. And you want to tell yourself the loving words, the self-love affirmations. You want to make sure that you're sending out the message to the universe that you love yourself. Plus, you want to clear out your heart chakra and let the open space accept new energies from the universe. So the first thing that I want you to do is to tap your heart chakra, which is right here with 4 fingers of your left hand. You're going to start tapping your heart chakra. And you're going to do this about 1 to 2 minutes every single day. Even more if you want, but at least 1 minute every single day. Do it 3 times, do it 4 times. The more you do it, the better. You're going to tap your heart chakra with your left hand, and you're going to close your eyes or with open eyes, start saying the affirmations that you want to say. You're going to start saying how much you love yourself, how much you deserve all the best. So as if you're talking to yourself. So if in my case, I would say, Shadi, you're beautiful. I love you the way you are. You deserve all the best. You deserve to be respected. You deserve to be loved. You deserve to enjoy your life. This part of your body, your heart chakra, is the door gate to your heart. This is going to send a message to your heart that you love yourself. And then, as I said, it's going to leave open space for you to receive new things from the universe, new positive things from the universe. If you want, there is a video of affirmations that I made. You're going to see the link again coming up on the screen. Afterwards, you could click on it and you could hear that affirmation every single day. Just play it for yourself, tap your chakra, close your eyes, and repeat after whatever I say in that video. It's going to help like magic, because that's also for self-love affirmations. And it's going to work like a magic wand. Beautiful magic that you have for yourself. While you're tapping, listen to the mantras, listen to the affirmations, and repeat it with yourself, and then open your eyes. That's it. The second thing that really helped me was the vision board with crystal charge. The way that you could do it is that you're going to take a journal. You're going to start writing all the affirmations that you say and repeat every day. I'm worthy. I'm beautiful. I deserve all the best. You're going to write it down in different pages. And then you're going to find images. You could find them on Google. Pictures from your dream self. Now you have to keep it realistic. Keep it in a way that you know you could achieve. You have to find pictures that realistically match your dream life, your dream self, best version of yourself physically. Print out the pictures and attach them to the journal. Stick them to the pages of journal while you wrote affirmations around those pictures. So instead of vision board, we're doing a vision journal, and we're doing a crystal charged vision journal. You could use the rose quartz crystal, you could use the clear quartz crystal, or you could use the amethyst crystal. These crystals are going to help you manifest your physical look, self-love, and all the things that you need to have, all the powers that you need to have to manifest that physical look. So once you're done making that journal, it could take you a week until you make the journal. You grab all the pictures from Google, from magazine that fits your best version of you, you stick it in the journal, and then you write the affirmations around it, and then you're going to purchase the crystals that you like. You can go to the spiritual stores, you could purchase it online. You don't have to go buy huge pieces of crystal, just small pieces of crystal. Buy amethyst or buy rose quartz or buy clear quartz. Just buy them. You could buy one of them. You don't have to get all of them, just one of them, and put it on top of your journal. So every single day, leave the journal somewhere that you could see it and enjoy it while you see it. Do not obsess over it. Enjoy it while you see it. You're going to put the crystal on top of your journal. So you're resting the journal on the table. You put the crystal on top of the journal and just leave it there. Then every day or every several days a week, as often as you possibly could, you're going to open your journal and go through the images that you have in the journal as the best version of yourself. And as you're going through it, you're looking at the images, you would say, yes, I am that. I claim it. Yes, it's 100% me. You believe in yourself. That person in that image is you. Now, what I recommend to you is that when you're looking for images, try not to get any faces in the images. So look for people who are standing from their back. Look for the pictures from people's back. That could show the body that you want, the hair that you want. Even if you're looking for the skin or the glowing skin and the beautiful skin, you could use the face, but use someone's face that could remind you of yourself. So someone with the sunglasses or someone who's looking down and looks a little bit like you. So make it realistic so that you could believe that it's really you. And as you go through the pages, you're just going to look at it and you say, yes, it is me. I claim it. That is 100% me. And you just close the journal, put the crystal back on it, until the next time you come back and review your journal. Now, there are other things that you could do to make this journal more powerful. If again, you join that DIY Your Happy Life online journey, online treasure, you could find out all the things about lights, about colors, about numbers and shapes that can help you amplify the power of your journal. If you want to know more about DIY Your Happy Life, check out the description and find out. Remember, the crystal you're using to put on top of the journal, it always has to be saged and cleansed. Some of the crystals you could cleanse with salt. You could just dip it in salt and just to clean it without even rinsing it with water, just salt. Or you could cleanse it with white sage, with Palo Santo wood stick. Cleanse the energies of your crystals at least once a week, because crystals absorb energies from around you. You don't want to give negative energies or unwanted energies to your journal. You want to make sure the energies are always cleansed and refreshed and beautiful. That's going within your journal and giving the power to your journal. Now, there are 2 more hints about manifesting your physical appearance easier and faster. The first one is that you have to use the power of nature. You have to go for nature walks. If you're like me and you live in Canada and right now you're experiencing snowstorms, then you cannot go outside and walk. So keep fresh plants in your home. I have a bunch of fresh plants in my home and I communicate with them. I talk to them. I kiss them. It gives me a lot of good energy. You need to keep rotating that positive energy around yourself when you're in the process of manifestation. So you need to use plants in your home if you're in a cold country. If you are not living in a cold country, go outside and walk. Go to the beach, walk on the sands, connected in nature. This is the method that you could give that vibration to your body that helps you become the best version of yourself that you want to become. And before you know it, you're going to get amazing hints of how to create the best version of yourself. Now, the last tip that I have for you is to drink cinnamon tea. I know that it sounds maybe woo-woo magic-y, or it sounds crazy. Maybe it sounds like an immune system tip that I'm giving you. But cinnamon, it does have a lot of health benefits when you drink it, but it also has a lot of spiritual benefits when you drink it. Take a cinnamon stick, drop it in hot water. You could add some lemon to it, you could add some honey to it, and drink it every single morning. It's going to bring a lot of energetically connection to the universe inside your body, within your chakras, and it also helps a lot with your immune system and with your health and with your skin. So it's super powerful. Drink cinnamon tea and make sure you do this every single day for yourself. It helps you in your manifestation journey as well as your health journey. You could use cinnamon stick or cinnamon powder, it doesn't matter. And if you want to go one step further in making it even more powerful, making the drink even more powerful, is to write loving words around the mug you're drinking from. Take a Sharpie and start writing love, wealth, beauty, health, joy, inner peace, romance, all the things that you want to have in your life. Write it around the mug. Make your cinnamon tea in the mug, drink it every morning, and see the magic for yourself. I'm sure you're going to love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I enjoyed my time with you again, like always. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram because I love to become friends with you. This is my Instagram account. You could go ahead and follow me there. Don't forget to check out the free webinar in the description. You're going to learn a lot about my journey towards manifestation. If you'd like to join the DIY Your Happy Life online portal, that would be great. Check out the link in the description. And do not forget to watch my previous week's video, the two that I mentioned during this video. And there is one more video that you want to watch that's going to help you a lot about your manifestation journey and the energy that you want to create around yourself. The video is going to show up right beside here. This is a video that you need to watch. Go ahead and watch it and enjoy it. And I will see you next week on the next video. I love you and I'm rooting for you. And don't forget to stay positive. Don't forget to stay lovely. Ask me any other questions that you have in the comments and I will be recording a video for it. Take care and have an amazing day filled with love, joy, happiness, and positivity. Goodbye.